Today's episode is 72's reaction to Ayano snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, and this video has been requested by Choni Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi fellas, I'm 72. I'm going to do a reaction on Ayano's snore gets replaced with number block 52 snore, but unfortunately, Ayano, you'll also be joining with Himawari, but you'll still be okay. Anyways, let's go into the reaction.
Well, it's snoring time. Sleep tight.
Bruh, she's not making a snoring effect in the footage. Thankfully it ended. Man, Ayano's sleeping in general, she doesn't have a snoring effect because she's silent. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 124.